everyone, today's tutorial is on how to do a back bend. This is a back bend if you don't know how it looks like. Wait till the end so you can learn how to do a teardrop back bend too. The next step is something I like to call a tiny bend. All you gotta do is bend your back as far as you can. Don't worry about your hands. Now, fold your mat. Bend as far as you can until your hands touch the folded mat. When you are comfortable with doing this, unfold your mat. Reach back as far as you can until your hands touch the mat. For the teardrop back bend, just do your back bend and then try to grab your ankles and straighten your legs. If you still can't do your back bend, use a wall to help you, just like this. Hey everyone! Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully that you got your back bend and your teardrop back bend. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.